Hey, it's David Duford at davidduford.com, where I help insurance agents like you become top producing insurance agents. Today continues our 10-part series on how to handle the most common objections when selling any kind of insurance that's out there. Some of these would be more typical and common for you than others, but these are very common ones that, with a little forethought and knowledge, you can overcome on a more regular basis. So today we're going to talk about the objection of hearing, I already have life insurance through work. So this is an interesting objection, and as all objections, it shouldn't be a reason to not set the appointment. You just need to know a little knowledge on how to overcome the objection and validate a reason why anyway it's good to meet. So let's first start with, what if you hear this over the phone? Here's what I would say. I would say, congratulations, I'm glad to hear that somebody around here has life insurance. There's a lot of people that don't. But here's the thing. People like you who have their life insurance meet with me anyway, just to compare and contrast the different options that are available and how what we have to offer can complement their plans and actually fill some of the gaps in the coverage that are offered through work. All I need is 5 minutes to show you this information. What you do with it is totally up to you. How's Tuesday at 2, or would 10 be better? So with this, I go through just a quick explanation, like in all my objection rebuttals, of setting the appointment face-to-face or over the phone, but we spend time on selling how easy it is to have the appointment and how it's no obligation, and you'll be on your way in 5 minutes or less if it's not right for them. The second way that you hear this is that if you're in the initial part of the sales call and you're gathering information, you've gotten into the appointment, and they say, well, I've got my life insurance through work, so I think I'm pretty set. Well, so here's the thing. This is where good fact-finding and value education comes in. A lot of the insurance that's sold through work, as you begin to fact-find it, is what's called group term insurance. It lasts until 65 or 70. It's only a small multiple of their wage that they earn, and it's non-portable. Some of it is portable, but either way, it's usually at such a low amount of coverage that it's not appropriate of an amount to cover if they end up passing away and need to replace their income. So like I said earlier in the appointment setting strategy, you have to take this and massage it out. When I say massage it out, you've got to build value so the client understands that how, if they only got 2 years worth of their income, that's $100,000, let's say, on a $50,000 a year income earner, how that will be blown through in a heartbeat for their surviving spouse. You need to basically imagine that the hearse is backed up to the front door, and what would happen the next day that they're dead. How it would affect their family, their mortgages, their finances, the lifestyle that they've carefully built for years on end, and how $100,000 goes pretty quick, and how having a cheap life insurance plan to supplement the difference of what they need can make all the world a difference in taking care of the very people that they care and claim to care about the most. So this is where you want to go into selling and educating the client and showing them the difference. Again, remember, they're not going to know this stuff up front. I have life insurance. Oh, all right, I don't need it. That's the knee-jerk objection. And you need to take the time to overcome that with good, solid education. And you'll find that at the very end, when you ask for the sale, you'll very rarely hear, well, I have it through work. Unless you did, if you did hear it at the end of the sales call, at the end when you ask for the business, it's because you didn't do a good job of selling that. So go back to the sales presentation, the value-driven aspects, and make sure you drive it all the way home. Why owning more insurance on top of their work insurance is a paramount requirement for maximal financial protection if they die earlier than expected. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe to my channel. I do videos like this every week, usually 3 a week now in 2019. Also subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Subscribe. Make sure you like the video and comment below. Also, if you're interested in selling insurance in my insurance agency, you can. If you go to davidduford.com, you can learn more about the insurance agency programs I have for my agents and how to sell and the lead systems that and training and support that we offer with them, as well as the Insurance Agent Inner Circle, a month-to-month membership for insurance sales training, or for insurance agents to learn more insurance sales training like this, and as well as the books and products that I offer insurance agents. My name is David Duford at davidduford.com. See you next time. Take care. Bye.